How to fix error 0xA00F4244, 0xC00DABED, on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix error 0xA00F4244, 0xC00DABED, on Windows 10. 1. Perform clean boot to disable troublesome apps. 2. Update your camera driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Also, uninstall the webcam driver and reinstall it and roll back webcam driver. 3. Reset your webcam app. 4. Other tips are, make sure the camera app is turned on and check your webcam if it is installed correctly. Run Store Apps Troubleshooter. Scan for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Create a DWORD 32 value, enable frame server mode at. For 32-bit system, HKey_local_machine /software /Microsoft /Windows Media Foundation platform. For 64-bit system, HKey_local_machine /software /WoW 6432 node /Microsoft /Windows Media Foundation platform and set enable frame server mode as 0, restart your PC later. Scan for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.